everyone, today I'm going to talk about animal habitat. The first one is snail. You see this snail? Okay, a snail right over here sticking out its head, and it lives in its shell. Sometimes it goes to my leaf, and it goes to the flowers, it goes to the soil. Yes, and also to the grass. The second one is ants. They live in the soil. They also live at the rocks. The third one is spider. This one creates a web, but it's a very, very tiny one. It lives in its web that it creates. Look, it's moving. See? The first one is stork, but then it fly away. My mommy accidentally take a picture of it. The fifth one is cow. Look, that's where we get fresh milk, and it's eating its grass. The fifth one is also the black cow. The sixth one is rooster. They're eating. They live on cages, or they live free, like in the farm. The seventh one is brown. It's my auntie's dog. It's home. It lives with a human. The eighth one is a bug. It lives underground.